Next method of preparation of carboxylic acid is hydrolysis of acid chlorides or acid anhydrides or esters. So these are all acid derivatives. So any of these acid derivatives can be taken, that is upon hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid as the main product. Let us take acid chloride first. The general formula of acid chloride is RCOCl. So this is the general formula of acid chloride. So when acid chloride on hydrolysis, H plus H2O, acid hydrolysis gives RCOOH is the main product. Here OH will be attached here and H will be attached here. So HCl will be the byproduct. So the carboxylic acid is the main product in this case. So let us take one example, CH3COCl. So this is called acyl chloride. This is called acyl chloride. When acyl chloride on hydrolysis, so OH will be attached here and H will be attached here. We will get CH3COOH plus HCl. So acyl chloride is taken, we will get acetic acid as the main product. So when acid chloride on hydrolysis, carboxylic acid will be the main product. Acid chloride is an acid derivative. So acid derivatives upon hydrolysis give carboxylic acid as the main product. Here we have taken the acid derivative acid chloride. We have taken the example as acyl chloride. So acyl chloride on hydrolysis give acetic acid as the main product. So let us take acid anhydride next. So the general formula of acid anhydride is RCO twice O. So this can be written like this, RCO twice O. So this is the general formula of acid anhydride. This upon hydrolysis we will get, so H will be attached here, OH will be attached here. So 2 molecules of RCOH will be the product. So 2 molecules will be getting from this acid anhydride here. Both alkyl groups are same. So let us take one example, CH3CO twice O. CH3CO twice O. So the name of this anhydride is acetic anhydride. The name is acetic anhydride. So upon hydrolysis, H will be attached here, OH will be attached here. So we will get 2 molecules of CH3COH. That means 2 molecules of acetic acid. Here we have taken an anhydride with same alkyl groups. So let us take different alkyl groups as an example. CH3CO C6H5CO. So here we have taken different alkyl groups in acid anhydride. This upon hydrolysis, what will be the products? Here H will be attached, OH will be attached here. So we will get CH3COH plus C6H5COH. C6H5 H5COH. So what is the name of this anhydride? This anhydride is benzoic ethanoic anhydride. So both groups are here. So this is benzoic and ethanoic anhydride. So B comes first because alphabetical order we have taken into consideration. So benzoic ethanoic anhydride. Benzoic group is there, ethanoic group is there. So the name is benzoic ethanoic anhydride. So this upon hydrolysis, this is ethanoic acid or acetic acid, and this is benzoic acid. So different carboxylic acids are obtained in this case. So acid anhydride-നകത്ത് രണ്ട് തരം ആൽക്കൈൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഈ രണ്ട് തരം ആൽക്കൈൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്സ് ഉള്ള ആസിഡ്സ് ആണ് പ്രോഡക്ട്സിൽ ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ആസിഡ് ക്ലോറൈഡ് എടുത്താലും ആസിഡ് അൺഹൈഡ്രൈഡ് എടുത്താലും ഹൈഡ്രോളിസിസ് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്ന പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് അതനുസരിച്ചുള്ള കാർബോക്സിലിക് ആസിഡ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും. സോ ലെറ്റ് us take the other acid derivative, ester. Next is esters. So what happens when esters on hydrolysis? Esters, the general formula is RCOOR. So RCOR is the general formula of esters, which upon hydrolysis we will get RCOOH plus ROH. That means here H will be attached here, OH will be attached here. So RCOH and ROH. Here we will get carboxylic acid and alcohol. So we know that esters are prepared by esterification reaction. So esterification reaction is reaction between carboxylic acid and alcohol. So when esters upon hydrolysis, it gives carboxylic acid and alcohols are the product. So hydrolyze ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ esters break down ചെയ്ത് അതിൻ്റെ corresponding carboxylic acid ആൽക്കഹോളും ഫോം ചെയ്യും. സോ എസ്റ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കാർബോക്സിലിക് ആസിഡിൽ നിന്നും ആൽക്കഹോളിൽ നിന്നുമാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് എസ്റ്റർ ബ്രേക്ക് ഡൗൺ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we will get carboxylic acid and alcohols are the products. So we can take one example, CH3, CH2, COO, CH3. So what is the name of this ester? So there are 3 carbon atoms here. So this is methyl propanoate. So methyl propanoate. This upon hydrolysis we will get propanoic acid, CH3, CH2, COOH. So 3 carbon atoms. So it is propanoic acid and CH3OH, that is methanol. So we will get the alcohol. So when esters upon hydrolysis, we will get the corresponding acid and alcohol as the product. We can take another example. So this is another ester. The name is ethyl benzoate. So this upon hydrolysis, what happens is H will be attached here, OH will be attached here. So we will get benzoic acid as the main product, benzoic acid, and the alcohol formed is C2H5OH, that is ethanol. So benzoic acid and ethanol are formed when ethyl benzoate ester on hydrolysis. Let us take one more example. So another example is CH3, CH2, CH2, so another ester. So here 4 carbon atoms are here. This is ethyl butanoate, ethyl butanoate ester. So upon hydrolysis, what happens is H will be attached here, OH will be attached here. We will get CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH plus C2H5OH. So this is butanoic acid. This is butanoic acid and this is ethanol. So this is the product. So when esters on hydrolysis, the corresponding acid and alcohol are formed. Here in all these cases we have used acid hydrolysis. So hydrolysis in presence of acid. What happens if we are using base or base hydrolysis, what happens in this case? Let us take the same example. If you are taking ethyl ethanoate, if base hydrolysis is done, NaOH aqueous, we can write NaOH aqueous or we can write OH minus H2. So hydrolysis in presence of a base. So what happens if base hydrolysis is happening in presence of, in the case of this ester. So ethyl butanoate is taken as the ester. So this is upon hydrolysis in presence of a base. So in this case, the products are CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, COONA. So here we will be getting the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, not the correct acid. The first step we will get the sodium salt of the acid and ethanol. So sodium salt of the acid will be getting at first and ethanol also will be getting. Then we have to convert this sodium salt of carboxylic acid with the treatment of an acid or a mineral acid like HCl. We will get the corresponding acid. So if we are using a base for hydrolysis, we will get the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This reaction we have studied in the case of saponification reaction. Saponification reaction is actually esters are converted to sodium salt of the acid. So saponification is esters are converting in presence of sodium hydroxide to form sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So in the preparation of soap we have seen this example or this kind of reaction. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid is formed if we are using a base for hydrolysis. So in that case, first of all we will get the sodium salt of carboxylic acid and then we have to convert that sodium salt of carboxylic acid into the corresponding acid by treating it with a mineral acid. So this is the hydrolysis of esters. So esters ne hydrolyze cheyidal we will get acid and alcohol. So esters ne acid hydrolyze cheyyumboഴാണ് corresponding ആസിഡും ആൽക്കഹോളും കിട്ടുന്നത്. എന്നാൽ ബേസിൻ്റെ പ്രസൻസിലാണ് ഹൈഡ്രോളൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ കാർബോക്സിലിക് ആസിഡ് കിട്ടുന്നത് സോഡിയം സോൾട്ടിൻ്റെ രൂപത്തിലായിരിക്കും. അതായത് സോഡിയം സോൾട്ട് ഓഫ് ദി ആസിഡാണ് ആദ്യം കിട്ടുന്നത്. ദെൻ അതിനെ മിനറൽ ആസിഡ് വെച്ച് ട്രീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ വി വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ദ carboxylic acid as a end product. So these are all about the methods of preparation of carboxylic acids.